Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing fine. In this video, I'll show you how you can download resources in Free Fire so your game runs smoothly and you don't miss out on any content in the Free Fire game. So first, simply launch Free Fire on your device. If it's your first time, the game will automatically ask you to download resources. Otherwise, you can manually update them from the main menu. Then you can simply tap on the settings icon right here and go to the resources option. Otherwise, you can simply tap on this icon right here. As you can see, a cloud is shown there with the download icon. As you can see, I've already downloaded everything. Then go to resources in the setting icon. Here you can see any pending resources download like map, skins and asset. Then you can simply click on this icon right here. Otherwise, click the download or upload or update button inside the resources option. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network because some resources files are large, and wait until the download is completed. Once the resources are downloaded, restart the game if needed and verify that everything is working correctly. Your map, your skins and characters should all load perfectly from now on, and you won't be disturbed time and again to download the resources in your game. So this way is the perfect way to download your resources in Free Fire game. And that's it guys, now your Free Fire is fully loaded with all your resources. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and share with your squad. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.